Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to download and install Google Chrome web browser current stable version on Kali Linux 2025.4. Okay, first open the default web browser that comes with Kali Linux 2025.4, that is Firefox. Now go to Google or any search engine and search for download Google Chrome. Click on Google Chrome web browser, then click on download Chrome. Then for Kali Linux we have to select this 64-bit .debian package. So select it, then come down, click on this accept and install. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is 112 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Now open terminal, go to downloads directory, cd downloads ls. See, here we have the Google Chrome stable current version. It is Debian package. Install it, sudo dpkg-i, then Google, then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill entire file name, hit enter, provide the password of the sudo user, hit enter. See, we are installing Google Chrome stable version 143. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to application menu, Chrome. See, here we have the Google Chrome. Click on it to open. See, here make Google Chrome the default browser. If you want, keep the checkbox as selected, and also automatically send usage statistics and cross reports to Google. You have to keep the checkboxes as selected. It is up to you. I don't want, so click on OK. Don't sign in. See, you got the Google Chrome web browser. Okay, so we have successfully installed Google Chrome web browser version number 143. Unless this file is not required anymore, so I am removing it. RM Google, press the tab, enter. Unless we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Google Chrome current stable version on Kali Linux 2025.4. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.